Hello wonderful people, welcome to the next video in this series. Last time we were trying to create a learning management system and attach it to an existing website. For those who are just joining us for now, this is the second video, so you might need to go watch the first video. Okay, this is our existing classified art website, but we want to add a learning management system to our existing website. And that's what we're trying to do. The last time we created a course, and that is what we have on the screen right now. Today, we're going to do something different. The header and footer is gotten from our previous theme. We don't want that, so we need a new header and footer for our course. What we're going to do next is to create our own menu, because this menu you're seeing here is from the main site, like this: home blog, pricing plan, blog post. That is something you see here. So to do that, we simply hop into pages. Here you can see dashboard, pages, instructor registration, student registration, and dashboard. These three pages belongs to the course. So what we're going to do is create a menu for these three pages. So let's head over to our back end, go to appearance and menu. We're here at the menu. What we simply do here is to create a menu for our course. So click on create a new menu, and here we give it a name like course LMS, and we say create menu. And when that is done, we're going to choose these three pages associated with our course, and we'll say add to menu. Then we can now save our menu. So when that is done, the next thing we're going to do now is to install our Elementor theme builder. So we simply go to plugins, say add new. I have the plugin downloaded, so I'm going to upload, choose file, and here is our Elementor Pro. Choose that and say open. I'm going to click on install, then activate the plugin. And after that, let's go and see the major setting we need to do on that plugin. So after installing the Elementor Pro, or before you install the Elementor Pro, simply install Elementor. How do you do that? You go to add new, then here you put in Elementor, and when this displays here, all you need to do is click on install. Look at it, it's not active. That is because I have installed this already. So let's simply go back to the settings and see what we can do there. So I go down to Elementor and I click on settings. Now here's what I need to do. I need to give Elementor the privilege to be associated with my course, lessons, quiz, and assignment. This is where I want to use Elementor, so I need to check on those places. So when I check on that, I can say save. And when that is done, the next thing we need to do now is to go and build our header and footer using Elementor Pro. So the easiest way to do this is this. So I head on to this is template theme builder. I click on that, and here let's choose header. Okay, say create your first header. So add new header. Here we're going to create header. Let's give it a name, LMS header. Okay, let's change that. Let's give it something like course header and create the template. Now there's something you need to know while using Team Builder. It could be so confusing. So you really need to pay attention here so that you don't get confused. Here are the headers we have here. You can decide to choose any of these. Then if you have activated your Elementor, you can simply choose from here. But there's something I love to do. So let me see. I like these elements from Envato. So let's see how to use that. When you install Elementor and Elementor Pro, you will have this and template. But when you install Element from Envato, you're going to have this. You can see Envato elements. So you can also get your header and footer from here. Let's see how to do that. So instead of clicking on add template or whatever, I just click on this Envato element. And by the way, Envato element is a plugin. You can just go to your add plugin, type element or Envato, and you'll be able to install that. So look at what we have here. Let's try blocks. And under blocks, we can see different things we have here. Let's again try header and see what we got and search. And here we have different header. So I'm just going to go and click on this first one here and add to page. And you can see our header. There's some little things we can do here. If I don't want this header, I can still go back from here, Envato element, go to blocks, type header, then I look for another one. Let's try this, add block, then inserting, and here is another header. So right here we have two, but what we're going to do, we're going to try the one above. So I remove the other one. First thing is this, the logo for our site, you can change that here. You can give it the name of your course. You see that is too much, so I'm going to adjust this. If I get my mouse close to this edge of this box, I want to click and drag forward. Okay, then let's go replace this with our own menu which you've created before. Let's come to this place, click on this and type menu. Then I'm looking for mega menu. So this is mega menu. I drag that. And when you come to the left, it says select menu. So I come here, I choose the course elements we created before. And this is our menu here. So this one, I'm going to get rid of this by right clicking here and saying delete. So I'm going to come to this place, save options, display conditions. Now add condition. Where do I want this menu to be displayed. Is it the entire site? No, because I also have a classified ad website. So I wouldn't want that menu to show on every site. This menu, this header here is for our classified ad website. So I wouldn't want our new menu to replace this. So I'm going to drop this down and choose singular, then all singular. I'm going to choose something related to my course. Look at this. Choose courses, and under all I say save and close. You can see it's saving here. I said have a look. So let's see what we've done so far. And voila, we have a nice looking menu. So let's go see our course and see if there is going to be a new change. So this is our course page. So I'm going to reload this page. And voila, we have a nice looking header. So it's time to go fix the footer. So how do we do that? We need to exit this header. So to do that, we come to this portion, exit to dashboard, then we go back to team builder, and now it's time for our footer to do the footer. So I click on footer, then add new, then here we're going to call it course footer, create template. So the same way, I'm going to close this and use this inverter, then go to blocks, and when I get to blocks, I'm going to search for footer and say enter. Then here you can select any of your choice. Let me just go with this for and say add. And here is our nice looking footer. So what we can do here is actually to click on the portion we want to edit, like this 1 2 3 4 5 is what we have here. 1 2 3 4 5. To edit any of these, we need to click on this place and change this. And when we're done, click again, it closes. Do the same for everything here. So this is basically how to edit your footer. And when we're done with editing, we still do the same thing we did before. Display condition, add condition, entire site no, singular yes, singular where do we want this to show. On singular we say on course and all courses. So we say save, and it's saving at the moment. And it said have a look. Click on that. Then this is our footer. So let's once again go to our course page and reload. Then go down to footer, and here is our footer. So what have we been able to achieve? Here is our main site. Let me close this. Here is our main site. If I reload our main site, we have normal header, and we go down, we have our footer as well. But if we go to our LMS side, we have a different header and a different footer. Wow. So let's see, I want to open this on a new incognito window. Voila. So what do we have? We have our LMS site looking nice. So this is what we can do here. Student can register. Now we're still going to work on this. We're going to inculcate or extend our header and footer to all these pages. So this student registration, can put your information and register. Then instructor registration. Let's see how that one looks like. Okay, the same thing. I want to work on these pages later. So I go back. And dashboard. Let's see our dashboard. So for the dashboard, you need to log in. So, but just for us to have a look at what the dashboard looks like, I come back to this place, and this is what the dashboard looks like. You see, it has a row course, total earning, and total student. Actually, this is the admin, and this is the dashboard for the admin. Now, we're going to show you how to sell your courses and also allow instructors to register on your site and have the ability to sell their own courses as well. You can see, as an admin, I can add a new course from this place. So Tutor LMS plugin has been one of the best after all the research I carried out personally. So you can see that we have our header and footer in place. Now there's a page that is missing here, a page for all our courses. We need a page where to display our courses. So for us to do that, let's go to LMS settings. Alright, so while we're here, let's see what we can do here. General, I think general is okay. Course archive page. Okay, so this is where we set a page that will be used for our courses. So when you go over to like nothing like that, so this is what we need to do. We need to create this page. So what we need to do now is quickly rush over to pages. And here we're going to say add. And don't forget, what we're trying to create here is course archive page. So it would be a good thing if you can use this name for easy identification. So I choose that, and here I paste the course archive page. So I'm going to say publish. Okay, so let's come here and reload. Okay, so let's see if we can locate the page we just created. Oh, and there is the page. So we'll choose that, and we'll come down here. I'm going to say save changes. And when that is saved, to include that page on our menu, we need to go back to our menu and include that page. So here is it. We add. So we say save menu, and we're back here. Let's do a reload. Okay, and here is our course archive page. Now this is looking too long, so we can simply do some adjustment here. We can refer to this page as courses. Save. That is if you don't want to adjust the length of this portion. So let's reload. Okay, we're in order now. So let's click on courses. And here we are, our first course, which is Introduction to Solar, and of course with our previous header and footer. So what we're going to do now is replace this header with our header and footer we created previously. So we're going to start from there from the next video. So see you on the next one, and like always, have a very nice day.